Welcome to our new video on modern goat farming. In today's agricultural world, the application of high technology has brought remarkable breakthroughs to the goat farming industry. Together, we will explore these changes and understand how technology is reshaping the landscape of goat farming. In today's video, we will not only introduce modern goat farming, but also delve into the latest technological applications. We will explore how farms and farmers are using technology to increase efficiency and save resources. Join us as we learn about the world of modern goat farming, a world full of promise and potential. Part 1. Exploring a modern goat farm. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore a modern goat farm in this area. From the very first glance, you will sense the modernity and convenience here. Let's take a closer look at a modern goat farm, where innovation meets tradition. Here, amidst the lush landscape, advanced facilities cater to the needs of our goats. From spacious barns to separate feeding and resting areas, every aspect of our care is meticulously considered. The scenery at this farm is truly admirable. The lush green fields, specialized care areas, and modern systems create an ideal living environment for our goats. But it's not just the infrastructure that sets this modern goat farm apart. Advanced management and monitoring systems ensure that our goats receive the best possible care. Next, we will tour the farm and learn about its structure and main activities. You will be guided through each step of the care and nurturing process, from barns to product quality management. Starting with the care and nurturing process, this farm places special emphasis on the goat's living environment. Barns are designed to be airy, clean, and well lit. Feeding and resting areas are clearly delineated, and barn hygiene is maintained regularly to prevent diseases. Regarding nutrition, goats are provided with nutritious feed appropriate for each stage of development. Clean and adequate water is ensured, and vitamin and mineral supplements are used to keep the goats healthy. As for health and disease prevention, this farm conducts regular vaccinations, performs frequent health checks, and implements disease prevention measures to ensure the best health for the goat herd. Part 2. Advanced goat farming methods. The next step in our journey is to explore the modern technologies being applied in goat farming. This is a crucial part that enhances efficiency and convenience in farm management. Automatic feeding systems provide precise nutrition tailored to the needs of each goat, while sensors and IoT devices monitor their health continuously. This farm utilizes a range of advanced technologies such as smart monitoring systems, automatic sensors, and robotic assistance for goat care. These devices help manage and control the goat nurturing environment more efficiently. The benefits of applying technology in goat farming are undeniable. Firstly, there is an enhancement in productivity and production from automating care processes to optimizing goat living conditions. Moreover, technology helps minimize risks and costs. Smart monitoring systems help identify and prevent goat health issues promptly, reducing waste and enhancing profitability for the farm. Part 3: Sustainable Agriculture and Future Trends. In today's technological age, sustainable agriculture plays an incredibly important role. Especially in the goat farming industry, applying sustainable methods and technologies is not just a choice, but also a pressing need. By creating a nurturing environment for goats that is healthy and environmentally friendly, we can sustain the health of the goat herd and protect natural resources for future generations. Technology plays a crucial role in supporting the environment and consuming less energy in goat farming. Energy-saving systems and the use of renewable energy sources such as solar power help minimize negative impacts on the environment. By harnessing high technology and sustainable methods, we can create an efficient nurturing environment for goats and promote sustainable development for the goat farming industry in the future. Part 4: Real-world examples. In this part of the video, we will explore together the new trends and advancements occurring in the goat farming industry. Researchers and farmers are continuously researching and developing new methods to improve the efficiency and sustainability of this industry. These new trends not only bring positive changes, but also have a profound impact on the goat farming sector. From enhancing food safety to improving goat living conditions, each trend contributes to the comprehensive development of this industry. In the United States, goat farms are embracing and applying the latest technologies to enhance production and management. Through these practices, we can clearly see that investing in technology is not only a way to progress, but also the key to making positive changes in the goat farming industry. Some goat farms in the U.S. have integrated modern technologies into their production processes. Here are a few examples. Green Pastures Dairy, a farm in Wisconsin. Green Pastures Dairy uses automated milking robots to enhance productivity and save time in the milking process. They have also invested in water recycling systems and product quality management to ensure food safety. Jones Family Farms. This farm in California has implemented a smart monitoring system to track the health and activities of the goat herd. They also use automatic sensors to control the goat nurturing environment, including temperature, humidity, and light. Hilltop Farms. In Texas, Hilltop Farms has implemented a comprehensive farm management system, including using farm management software to track goat health data and production performance. They have also applied advanced feeding and environmental management methods to optimize production. These farms are prime examples of applying modern technology in the goat farming industry in the U.S., enhancing production efficiency and sustainability. Conclusion. In the past few minutes, we have explored the world of modern goat farming and how technology has transformed the landscape of this industry. We began by delving into a modern goat farm, where we witnessed the blend of innovation and tradition. Through this, we gained insights into the infrastructure and key activities at the farm, including goat care and nutrition processes, as well as production and quality management procedures. Next, we delved into advanced goat farming methods, clearly recognizing the benefits that technology brings to the goat farming industry. Technology not only enhances efficiency and resource conservation, but also minimizes risks and costs, ensuring the health and safety of food for consumers. Finally, we looked into the future of the goat farming industry and recognized that sustainable development and progress are inseparable from technology. We observed emerging trends and advancements in this field, as well as real-life examples of farms leading the way in adopting new technologies. To optimize the efficiency and sustainability of the goat farming industry, continued investment in research and development of new technologies is essential. Additionally, there is a need to develop supportive policies and provide training for industry professionals to effectively utilize these new technologies. Furthermore, strengthening collaboration among farms, technology companies, and research organizations is crucial for sharing knowledge and experiences, as well as promoting the development and application of technology in the goat farming industry. The application of technology in goat farming is not only a means to enhance productivity and profitability, but also an opportunity to improve the living conditions of goats, protect the environment, and meet market demands. We eagerly await your feedback on the application of technology in the goat farming industry. Please share your perspectives and experiences regarding the benefits and challenges of using technology in goat farming. You can leave your comments under the video or contact us directly via email or social media. Let's together create a more sustainable and modern agricultural community. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again in the next videos. Have a wonderful day.